Was he?
I found him the syringe was empty, sleeping it off on the cobbles. Shit, Tommy. Shit.
It's all under control, Ida.
Well, I'm not under fucking control. I'm not you, Tommy, and I'm not Polly either. Even though I'm trying to be. She would have stopped this.
We will pull Arthur through this.
I'm not talking about Arthur, I'm talking about you. I heard everything you were saying in there.
Ida, this will be the end of it. Hear me? This is the way out for all of us, and along the way, I will be doing good.
No, along the way, you're gonna make yourself a lot of fucking money.
All right, fair enough. Any incidental rewards from my good work will be welcome, but you will get your fair share, sister. And by being among the fascists, by being among them, I can undermine them. Polly would approve. Beneath all the gold and diamonds and fucking mink and lace, she was a solid socialist.
Look, I know it's too late for this, Tom, but this doorway, this same fucking doorway. We used to come here for Dad's beer, and we were so little it took two of us to carry one bucket.
Yeah, I remember. Look at us now, eh?
Yeah. Fucking look at us. Take a good look, Tom, because one of us isn't going to be here for long. Fuck. Opium and presidents.
Ida, if you don't want to help me carry the bucket, then I wouldn't blame you. But this is my mission, and I will have no limitations.
Where are you, Tom? My big brother? You know, you used to stop sometimes and laugh. Do you even remember this place? You walk into the Garrison like a stranger and you sip fucking water.
I'm alive, Ada.
Yeah. And you're still looking for trouble big enough to kill you? Well, I think you might have found it. I have children, Tommy. You have to carry this bucket on your own. One brother half dead in the rain in Garrison Alley, and the other has no limitations.